If you're newly engaged or planning a wedding for 2026, listen closely because weddings are changing in a major way. Couples are no longer interested in cookie cutter ballrooms or copy and paste timelines. They want experiences, they want intention, and they want their wedding to feel like them. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 wedding trends you need to know for 2026. And trust me, some of these are already popping up quietly and about to explode. Let's get into it. Trend number 1, unusual wedding venues. In 2026, traditional wedding venues are taking a back seat and unconventional wedding venues are leading the way. Couples want their wedding location to be part of the experience, not just the backdrop. We are seeing weddings on cruise ships, luxury yachts, private estates, boutique hotels, rooftops, desert locations, waterfront piers, and even in industrial spaces completely transformed. Cruise weddings, in particular, are about to have a major moment. You are not just getting married, you're traveling, celebrating, and creating a built in honeymoon all in one. Your ceremony, reception, welcome party, and incursions are handled in one experience. This trend is about choosing a venue that tells a story and creates memories beyond one night. If your venue feels like something guests will talk about for years, you're doing it right. Trend number 2, wedding weekends and curated guest itineraries. The 1 day wedding is officially evolving. In 2026, weddings are becoming full weekend experiences. Think welcome cocktails, group excursions, farewell brunches, wellness mornings, and curated activities for guests. Couples want their guests to feel considered, not confused. Instead of everyone wondering what to do before and after the wedding, couples are providing a clear itinerary that turns the weekend into a shared experience. This works beautifully for destination weddings, cruise weddings, and even local weddings where guests are traveling in. It's less about doing too much and more about doing things intentionally. Guests feel hosted, not herded. 3, interactive guest experiences. Guests no longer want to just sit, eat, and leave. They want to participate. In 2026, interactive guest experiences are taking over receptions. Live caricature sketch artists are drawing guests, audio guest books where loved ones leave voice messages, live painters capturing the ceremony in real time, build your own cocktail bars, which is one of my favorites. Another favorite is custom scent bars, interactive photo moments that feel editorial and instead of cheesy. Some couples are even adding interactive entertainment moments like surprise performances, roaming entertainers, or theme moments tied into their love story. The goal is simple: make guests feel part of this celebration and not just the observers. Trend number 4, different outdoor receptions. Outdoor weddings are not new, but in 2026, couples are reimagining them completely. We're seeing receptions under sailcloths, clear top tents, courtyard dinners, cliffside celebrations, beach receptions with elevated rentals, garden style layouts, and unexpected outdoor spaces turn into luxury environments. This trend is about blending nature with intentional design. Elevated lighting, layered textures, statement tablescapes, and thoughtful layouts that feel immersive instead of basic. Outdoor does not mean casual. Outdoor means curated. Number 5, my favorite, tasting stations instead of sit down dinners. This is so different and so on point. It hits different. The traditional plated dinner is being replaced with interactive tasting stations. Couples are choosing chef driven food experiences like pasta stations, seafood towers, street food inspired bites, global tasting stations, dessert experiences, and late night snack moments. This allows guests to move, mingle, and eat at their own pace while trying multiple flavors instead of committing to just one plate. It also creates conversion, energy, and a more relaxed flow to the reception. Food becomes part of the experience, not just a checkbox in a timeline. So, those are the top 5 wedding trends you should be watching for in 2026. Unusual venues, full wedding weekends, interactive guest experiences, elevated outdoor receptions, and tasting stations over sit down dinners. If you're planning a wedding and want something that feels intentional, memorable, and truly reflective of you, these are the trends where weddings are headed. If this was helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with someone who just got engaged. And if you want help planning your wedding that actually makes sense for you and your lifestyle, budget, and vision, you already know where to find me. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.